everyone, Matt here. Fingers crossed this weekend we're actually going to get some work done in the garden. Hopefully get a bit of dry weather on the side. Grass is still boggy, but that ain't going to stop me this weekend. Right. So from the previous video that I did, all the fences painted, bonus job done. And so the first job is to move this honeysuckle. So I'm going to get it all trimmed back so I know which ones I'm going to do, and then reuse all the metal screws. It'll be like a fan, and then it's going to go right there, big fan up each side. So I'm going to get it all broomed back now, and then I'm going to get it all screwed up, and then before I move it I'll show you all the new wiring I've done, and then I'll do the afterwards. Alright, here we go. It's all pruned up, all done, labelled all the stems up, so I've got 11 stems. I want to know what I'm doing, I know exactly where they're going. There's the wire I'm going to be using, the clips, got that from Temu. Get it all unbolted now, and then we'll get drilling the fence up. Finally, the sun's out, being able to crack on. The wire has gone up as planned, so we've got 11 up, the little one in the middle. I'll just zoom it out a bit. So keep going. Oh, can't go any further. It goes over half of the back fence, so hopefully the honeysuckle will look nice. My old dog, I'll get it out now at the big planter, I'll get it in the ground, I'll get it all retied back up, and then I'll show you the end result. Finally got it all done, all in. Just put a bit of blood fishing bone and chicken manure in a hole, just to give it a bit of nutrients, but it's got loads of nutrients in it. And there we have it. We just move the eucalyptus out of the way. Got plenty of space just up there to grow. Let it all bush out now, and hopefully it'll look nice in the next couple of months when the warm weather gets here. So another simple task. And, oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I got the wire off Temu. It was about, I don't know what I paid, I think £4 or £5 for it for a 30-metre length. So we shall see if that actually holds up, but overall I'm impressed with that. Get some nice orange flowers on it. It's the lonicera, dropmore scarlet, this one. Alright, wrap the video up there. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll keep plodding on. Bye for now.